Oh yeah, talk about some freaking voltage drop, huh? Anyway, so now it's the time to reset this light, and I got it over here on let me turn my power off on my, turn that damn thing off. Let's see, how do I do this? Service due now, so that means I hit select until, let's see how many seconds it's gonna take. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there you go. So it says maintenance reset, and it says nope. So I hit the select, yes, hit. So I just kind of scroll with the select and then enter with the reset. So yes, oil life at 100%. There we go. Man, what's up with that freaking glare? I don't know. Or maybe is that too bright? Let's see. Wonder if I can dim it. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. So now that the oil life is back to 100, I'm just gonna select again, and I'm actually gonna reset the odometer, the trip A and B, because I haven't done that like in 2 oil or fuel thing. Every time I fill, I just reset that. Anyways, all right, that's gonna be pretty much it for the little whatever it is that I had to do. I think I changed the oil and the filter, and then whatever else. Now while I was doing that, I came up on this, and holy shit, now I gotta put this shelf back on because I knocked it down, or this backboard, and that's gonna be another project. But for right now, I'd say that we're good. Got my used oil right there. I'm gonna put it up in a empty oil container. That's why I used up the whole thing right there, because I needed one. All right, everybody, peace. I guess till next time. Till next time when we do this again.